I was at the gym when I started to feel sick, and I have 2 kids, and my husband was at work, and so, he obviously did his best to pack my bag and bring me what I needed, but I had no real concept of what I would want or what I would need once I got here. So I just started to think about things that I might need or want or wish I had when I was here, and how that might help somebody else.
So when you've had a potential trauma like a stroke, sometimes it's the little things that just help brighten up your day.
I wished I had an eye mask. I wished that I could have kept it dark when somebody came into the stroke unit at 1 in the morning. I wish I'd had earplugs to kind of drown out the noise. I wanted things that made it easier to survive in my little bed and not have to move around. And Calgary in particular is a dry place, so I wished I had hand lotion. I wished I had chapstick.
When she offered to donate, I was ecstatic. It's always nice to see that outpouring of support.
I'm really excited just to be able to give something back.
Together, we do amazing things every day.